Good afternoon. Today I'll be discussing the article Adoptive Kin Enhances Inclusive Fitness Amongst Asocial Red Squirrels, put forward by the Nature Communication Journal in 2010. Inclusive fitness, or the passing of genes to the next generation due to one individual, is thought to have caused the initiation and evolution of altruistic behaviour. The red squirrel is just one example of up to 62 mammalian species that perform individual sacrifice to further their genetic line. In a study undertaken over 19 years, it was observed that from 2,230 litters, there were 5 occurrences of orphaned offspring being adopted. In all cases, the surrogate parent only reared young that gave genotypic resemblance to the rest of their kin. This is because, due to Hamilton's rule, when a single trait for population increase is selected, the fitness cost to the individual, C, is less than the benefit to the benefactor, B, multiplied by their relatedness coefficient, C. This gives the equation RB greater than C, and in this instance, the fitness cost to the parent is C, the benefit to the adopted juvenile is B, and the relatedness between parent and child is R. The field method for this study was to track and trap squirrels, finding nests and obtaining information 25 days postpartum. The infant kin were then monitored, resulting in 6,793 pups, where 5 were adopted by surrogates. Over the 19-year investigation, there were 5 recorded occurrences of orphan adoption. This graph shows the 5 adopted juveniles, where the solid dots represent adoption and the ochre dots represent unadopted litters. The graph indicates that every adoption had an increased inclusive fitness for the population, whereas the unadopted juveniles would have decreased the inclusive fitness for the kin. Each case also shows that the relatedness between surrogate and juvenile was enough that a benefit in the inclusive fitness was a result. The surrogates were able to ensure this benefit by only adopting one child that gave genotypic resemblance rather than multiples. Therefore, this asocial species serves scientific support to Hamilton's rule of kin selection and provides evidence for altruism in the animal community. Another study, called the altruistic self-removal of health-compromised honeybee workers in their hive, also investigated the altruistic evolution in wild species. This experiment gave evidence to support the honeybees subjected to poisoning would remove themselves from the hive system to further the hive's future and safety. This study was not only supporting Hamilton's rule of kin selection and the theory of altruistic tendencies in the wild, but also introduces the idea that altruism is a concept accepted by not only mammals but also insect communities. Furthermore, the study of inclusive fitness amongst red squirrels has given much evidence to support the theory of altruism in Hamilton's rule and present wild social species. Thank you.